I felt that. I fucking felt that. Oh.
Hi everyone, it's Bobby. So I filmed this look on the same day, but it's like a very similar glam look. So it's a black smoky eye on my friend Ale. So if you want to know how to get the look, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off with the First Naked palette, and I'm going to use the color Buck as a crease color. It's going to be like a transition shade to really balance out all the other shades that we're going to use. To use the color Gunmetal to start darkening the outer crease. You're just going to put it at the end. You're going to pack on the color and then sort of kind of like blend it out at the top of the crease. But make sure that the color is condensed towards the end because you don't want to look like you have a bruised eye. I'm going to go in with the darkest shade on the palette, Creep, and I'm going to only put this on the real outer corner. I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush, all these colors, so that it blends nicely at the top of the crease, but make sure that this dark color is really packed on there so that you can really see that smoky eye transition. For the light color, I'm going to use Modern Renaissance, the shade Vermeer, and I'm going to put that on the lid and the inner corner of your eyes. I used a brush, but honestly, I find that using your finger has the best results. Then I'm going to use Maybelline's BB Cream in Medium Sheer Tint 120 and blend that out with a beauty blender. She doesn't really need a lot of coverage, so I found that the BB Cream worked best. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going to apply it all along the under eye in triangular motions and then blend it out again with the beauty blender. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow, and she has really thick eyebrows, so I only really filled in the sparser areas in the beginning. Then I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner, Urban Decay's Perversion, and I'm not winging it out just because it's already a pretty dark eye, but you can definitely do that to get a more dramatic look. Then I'm going to apply L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and I'm going to make sure that I really load it on just because I really want that dramatic eye. I'm going to go back in with the color Gunmetal and just a little bit of creep, and I'm going to apply that on the lash line, the lower lash line, just to really create a smoky look. I'm going to use the Aqualillies Tarte palette, and I'm going to use the bronzer in it to really contrast her cheekbones and kind of bring that up also around the forehead and on her jawline. I'm going to use for lipstick, it's one of NYX's matte lipsticks, like it comes in a really big kit, and it's in a nude color, but honestly you can do a red lip with this if you really want something super glamorous, or any other color is fine since it's a pretty simple black eye. And that's the finished look.